Hey guys, so this is a little preview of what we're going to build next week. I'm now creating the tutorial. It's going to have several parts. This is going to be kind of my first tutorial about a full application. So let's check what we are going to build. This is in first post. This is the content, just like that. The content, okay. We add one, submit, processing request, please wait, you will be redirected soon. And we have this card. Now we can click that and we can check and edit the post. As I said on the tutorial I'm making, I didn't add the redirection, so it's not a big deal. Everything else is working. So let's click submit. Okay, you can see that it does some shit there. It doesn't change right now. We need to refresh. I forgot to add the refresh to that. And we should be able to change, but this is going to take a little bit. So let's go to submit. And just to remove that noisy or that movement, just to scroll a little bit. So this is going to take a little bit in order to add. So what we're doing here is creating a Flask application with Angular. And let me open the console just to show you that. Okay, the post was updated. Nothing changes because we don't have the functionality. So let's go back and you can see that it changed that to the first post. So we can change the images and we can update the post. Also, we can delete them, and I have the redirection there. Okay, so this is what we're going to build next week. So we're using Angular 8, Flask, and MySQL. Okay, and MySQL is going to be used with the raw approach using the driver for Flask. We're not going to use SQL Alchemy or other things like that. So this is the raw way, and yeah. So if you want to build this little application, tune the channel next week and you will have the full tutorial. So thank you and see you on the next one.